everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Gloria, which is Girliest Cards, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. And this will also be entered into hashtag Sat Morn Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. I'll have all the links down below for you to join in on those challenges. I will have the theme pop right about here for next week. I just used these dies here, one on each of them. And then from Concord and Ninth, I'm using this background die here, and that impresses into the paper. And then from Elizabeth's Crafts, I am using the sweater die. And then I cannot find the stamps that I used. I looked all over for them things, but I want to say they came from LDRS. And I know that I colored the image to resemble those little images that were on the package. Can't find them, I'm sorry. And I don't think they have them in stock anymore. But anyway, so let's take a look at these pictures, or these cards rather. I did use some oxide inks, but I know I used black soot. I don't remember the other color that I used. And then I just added some enamel dots, and I inked up everything going around the sweater just to add that little rustic vintage look. And I really like how it turned out. And I'm just now realizing I didn't finish the inside of the card. I don't know if I finished this one, but it is what it is. I'll finish it later. And then there goes that one. And I did pretty much the same thing, except for this one I added enamel dots, and I did ink up the sweater as well to give it that vintage look. And I did double layer the sentiments as well. And I did not finish the inside of this card either. I can tell by the feel of it, but love how it turned out. Just thought I would pop in here and show you one more sweater card that I made. Kind of messed up on it, but I thought I would share it anyways. I think the style of it is still pretty good, but I'll show you my mess ups. But anyways, I still use the Elizabeth Craft sweater die. I also use the Snowfall card front die from Concord and Ninth, and then I also use the Spellbinders Fluted Rectangles. And I did not realize, first off, that I picked up sending instead of season greetings. And so, but I said, hey, sending greetings, it'll work. Then I noticed that I used two different colors. This is like an ivory color, and then this is white in the background, and I was just like, man, I just really messed that up. But the thought was really good. And then I also added some gems to go around that. So I'll still use it, and who knows, nobody will probably know it was a mistake except for you and I. So didn't finish off the inside yet, but I will. And then that's what I have. Make sure you use the hashtag to join in on our challenges, and check out the pictures at the end. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.